come from a certain place. Them no show love. Come from a certain race. No love. Them love when you fall on your face. And slow down. Please to travel with faith. And hold on. Mama did tell me and Papa did tell me the truth. Them fuck up and thief and them take poor people for food. No hospital for the sick and the kids now have no school. Them set only fans for the girls and the boys getting groomed. Mr. Big Man, why you do it? God not sleep. Gunman and crooked police. God not sleep. Never bow but me fall on my knees. God not sleep. I'ma rise like the sun from the east. God not sleep. Me no care how them vex. People are die through loneliness. Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside but I show them best. Come and live off the poor, them sweat. When you die in a poverty, your soul can't rest. Psychologically, at the rope them get. But we born blessed. Not just through a certain place. Them no show love. Just through a certain race. No love. And them love when we fall but we face. And slow down. Please to travel with faith. And hold on. I cry all my life for my people. I cry all my life for my people. We no care how them vex. People are die through loneliness. Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside but I show them best. Fuck up inside but I show them best. Yeah. And I just through a certain place. Them no show love. And we come from a certain race. No love. And them love when we fall but we face. And slow down. Please to travel with faith. And hold on. Guiltiness is on them conscience. Yeah.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you have an epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.